Yo, 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 what up, money team? Hey, instead of just putting out in text, I said I forgot to make a video, put it on YouTube real quick, man. Show you this strategy that I've been back testing and show it to you live and show you how to do. I actually back tested this before today, but then today just happened to make the move and made it even better. All right, so what I'm looking at, I got a 15-minute chart up here, and I got a 5 down here. You could use a 3 down here, a 1. This is just used to narrow it down. Once you get your area that you want to get in the trade, this is just used to help get your stop loss, okay? All right. So the way I'm looking at it, I'm looking at SPY. The only way I'm gonna be trading SPY is after this first 15-minute candle. I'm looking for a push in the opposite direction. If it's red and just keeps going down like this, I'm not looking for it. So I'm looking for, hey, this is my red candle. I'm looking for a push green past this candle. And if it makes a U shape, it's even better. Okay. All right. So we'll take today. All right. It was ugly, ugly, ugly. A bunch of just little choppiness. All right, we finally get this break up here today, okay? So once it gets ready to break, I'm buying the breakout, all right? So before the breakout happens, you come here to your smaller time frame and you find the next pivot, okay? So this was the pivot low, okay? So when it's coming up here, I'm buying here. This would be my stop loss, okay? So this would be my risk, and look what it profited, okay? How you take profits and tear out of it, that'd be up to you. But the risk reward was great. You're only risking this little bit, and you're making this lot of bit, okay? All right, so that's just today. Anybody can get it right after the fact, but let's look at some more. So if we look at this one from the day before, look at this one. Here's my red candle, so now I'm looking for a green upwards. Nope, never gives me nothing until right here, the last candle of the day. Yeah, we're not trading that, okay? So it just done this all day, which is ugly because I want to avoid this anyway. That's the whole purpose of this, okay? All right, so boom, here we go. Next day, red candle, all right, 15-minute. So I'm not trading until we get back above this red 15-minute candle, okay? So I have a line here. You can have it with an alert or whatever you want. So here we go on this day right here. All right, so here's our dip down. We coming out. Boom. Here we go. This is your buy point. Here's your pivot low. This is your stop loss. So you're risking. This is your risk. Here's your reward. Bam. Easy money, okay? Like I said, how you tear it and get out of it, it's up to you. But the system worked, okay? So that's this day. So here we go. Here's a red candle. I'm not buying, doing anything until I go back up here green. It never does. Keeps me out. Great moving day, but that's not what I'm looking for on my strategy, okay? All right, so here we go on this day. Here's my red candle on the 15. All right, right here. So I'm looking for it to come in here and break. I'm buying a breakout. Yeah, this is weak. This is technically the bottom of it, but that's just an outlier. So realistically, my stop loss would be around here. So I'm risking this much right here. This is my risk, okay? Come boom, boom, boom. Comes out here to the previous day's high. Of course, you got to take some profit here. Pulls back, holds your entry, and then gives you more extension, okay? Boom. Easy money. That's what we're looking for, okay? This is going almost every day. All right, green candle. Not touching it till I get a red candle, okay? Till I come break down below this level. Because what we're doing, what I'm seeing is once the SPY pushes in one direction, everybody think it's going in that direction. They're getting long, getting long, getting long. Now they're stuck. So now when it comes here, they got to get out their position. Then it just boom, 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 boom. Gives you like a little snowball effect in the opposite direction once you get that opposite move. So what's this? The 14th. The 14th, yeah. So boom. So you come here. This is going to be entry. Stop loss is here. Or if you want to be more tight with it, you can put your stop loss here about the high of those when those wicks end. Okay. So you can be risking this much or risk that much. Either way it goes, you make a win. Great win. Okay. Next day, here's your red first minute candle. We nothing up above it, so we don't mess with it. Here's a red candle, so we're looking for a move up above it. But it don't give it to us till the end of the day, but let's just see what happens. Okay. All right, get to the end of the day, you buy the breakout. Here's your pivot right here. So this is your risk, and there's your reward. So you still get 2 times your reward. Even this little bit right here gave you 2 times your risk. This is all you're risking, and look how it made up. So you made all this, and you only risked that. Still a win. And it's been pretty consistent. I did this I ain't gonna do it the whole time, guys. But I did it for 90 days, and it's not perfect. Like right here, the system is not perfect. Okay, because nothing is. Okay, so look at this one here. You wait all day. You wait all day. Bam! This candle gets you in. This would have been your stop loss. It gets you in. Boom! Comes right down to your stop loss. You get out. Okay, whatever your risk is, that's just a loss. You just took all these wins. Now you finally get a loss. Okay, cool. Hey, it is what it is. I'll take that. Okay. Here's a red candle. So now we're looking for the move. We're looking for the move push to the downside. You come here, bam, here's our entry. My risk would be about right here where all these wicks stop and the body starts, so somewhere around roughly here. So I'm getting here, risk here, comes down. You don't get a whole lot of extension out of it. Comes back to here, you could either say, okay, hey, I'm making the trade, break even, don't make no money, or let it come out and stop you out. That's up to you. Me, once I see an extension like this, and it comes all the way back here, yeah, I'm getting out because I'm not gonna stay in that trade. Okay. All right, this was just green straight all the way up. No entry. Boom, right here, got a red candle. So let's keep going finding that red candle. Where we at? Right here. Okay. All right. So there's your red candle come up here. Boom, here's our entry. Here's our stop loss right here. Comes in, gets you in. Look at this. Normally this would stop all of us out. You know, I'm guilty of it getting out of this. Look at this. Boom, it gets you in and just stays on your entry. This is your entry line. It just stays above it. And then boom, we get this great big extension. And our stop loss was way down here. And this is just our entry line. And it just stayed there, okay? Could took a little bit of profit here and then just waited through the consolidation and bam. Okay. Red candle. Just continues going lower today. No change of direction. We don't get a trade. Green candle, no change of direction, just keeps going up all day. Red candle, so we're looking for a green. What date is this? Is on the 1st. And I'm just doing a bunch of these guys just to show you the consistency of it. Look how many times we've won and look how many times we've lost. Okay, it's been pretty good. So look, same here. Boom, red candle on the 15-minute. There's your push down. Here's your push up. Here's your entry. Here's your stop loss. So you're risking this. It comes up. You can take a little bit of profit. Comes down. Hold your entry and gives you an extension. Boom. And it's just easy money. You're just sitting here waiting for it to do what you want it to do. All right, here's your green 15-minute candle. So we're only messing with it if it goes red below it. And this is on the 30th. And 30th. Okay, so right here. So here's your push up. Boom, boom. Look at this. Gives you a double top. So you're like, oh, yeah, we're in trouble. And look how beautiful that is. Your entry is here. Stop loss at the body of these candles right about here. I made it a little too high about right there. So you're risking this to make this. Hey, that's easy money, guys. And you just see the setup coming from a mile away. These are 15-minute candles, guys. So there's no rush. Your heart's not beating. It's either going to come, give you entry, or it's not. You just sit here waiting on it. I mean, a lot of these moves, you're waiting till the end of the, look, it's 12 o'clock for this move happen. But look at there, how it finally come. Here's your little pivot low. And look at that. Bam. You get in here, stop loss here. It never comes close to you. I mean, these moves are happening every day. Well, not every day, but a lot. This one's straight red candle. We're only playing if it goes back green, and it never does. Cool. So these reversal plays has been working out because I didn't get this offline or anything. I've just been studying SPY and just trying to figure out on the days that it booms, how can I catch it? And it's these opposite plays that get it. It gets everybody here. Everybody thinks it's going red for a day. They're stuck. They come in here now. We get in. Here's our stop loss. Bam, risking this. Bam, bam, bam. All the way to previous high of the day. That's easy money. Look at this one. Beautiful, beautiful. Goes green. We're looking for it to go red. But whenever this breaks below this red candle. All right, so here we go here. Bam. This would be our entry right here when it breaks that line. You got your clear stop loss. So this is your risk. This is your reward. Even on a bad day, look at this. Bam. You didn't get much push besides this. This is all the push you got. Come back. Hey, you can either, like I said, take you some profit and get out for this little quick move. Or don't take nothing and just, if it comes back to your entry, get out. However you guys want to play it. That'd be up to you guys. This one took a while to develop. You got green, so we're looking for a red candle. Boom, boom, boom. And it doesn't come all the way till here till like 11:45. But when it does, bam, your entry's here. Here's your pivot high. This is your risk. Obviously, this one right here didn't work out too well. Boom, you got a little move to the downside. It struggles, and ended up pushing back up. But look at all this time. You got all this time to get out to break even before it finally comes up here. And doesn't even know. Matter of fact, look at that. Bam, it doesn't even hit your stop loss. Almost does, and then fails and goes nuts. Okay. That's crazy. Now, would I have held that through that and then do that? Nah, I'd have come out here and broke even, to be honest. That's me. But if you stuck to your rules, it never stops you out, and you made some stupid money really, really fast based off just your setup, okay? Like I said, doesn't always work perfectly. Okay, I just put that on the wrong side. That's red. Need to be red candle. All right, so you look for a break below this candle right here. And it finally breaks below this candle right here. Your stop loss is based off your pivot. Probably be around this area right here too. So you get in, bam, stops you out. Okay, cool. Hey, I done won about 6 or 7 of them. I finally get another loss. Okay, hey, it is what it is. Okay, like I said, nothing's perfect. It's all about ratios. Hey, how many times I'm winning versus how many times I'm losing. Boom, 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 boom. Here's your entry. Here's your risk. I like these right here because you got a little nice tight stop. You're risking this. Bam. You make 2 times your risk. Bam. You can't complain about that. Okay. Risk $100. You made $200. Too easy. See this one. This one like we're gonna fail on this one. Yep. Comes all the way up, gets you in, comes down, stops you out. Oh man, too bad. Okay, it is what it is. I'll take it. Okay. This one's green, looking for a push red, never comes in. This one's red, looking for a push green, never comes. Oh boy, look at this one. This one's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. This probably my last one. I'm not gonna go through the whole 90. I just want to show you the consistency of this, guys. How many times we're winning versus how many times we're losing. How much we're losing versus how much we're winning. Here you go down here. Here you come up, and it made this right. This is beautiful because look, right before it broke it, it doesn't break it to this green candle. So guess what? Look what it did. It gave you a nice tight stop. So when it gets me in, this is my stop. Now look at that. And look, I mean that's bro. You can't ask for nothing more than that. Okay, guys. Um, there's plenty of ways to make money out here. There's 10,000 ways. You can buy dips, you can buy breakouts, you can do all kinds of stuff. Buy stuff on a daily chart, swings. I'm just going over different ones just to, show people different ways of trading. Also to show myself because I need this myself. Trust me, because I need these back tests to get my consistency going. But this is just one of the strategies. I think I'm going to start implementing this because I like the simplicity of it. You don't need anything. You don't need a trend line. All thing you're doing is looking for this reversal after this first 15-minute candle. Come down either to a 1-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, 5. Find your stop loss. You buy the breakout, and you make your money. Okay. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all got any questions, man? Y'all know where to find us. All right. Later.